Let's look at this question. There are 13 equidistant bus stops on a straight road. A bus running at 60 km per hour is some distance away from the first stop, from where it will move towards the 13th stop. Two cars start running from the 6th stop in the opposite directions with the same speed. If the bus meets one of the cars at the first stop and the other at the 13th stop, then find the speed of the cars. Okay. So let me get 13 stops. Stop 1, stop 2, stop 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write it down as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. One car is moving this way. I'm calling that car A. One car is moving this way. And I have a bus coming this way. Now, how much distance will A have traveled? 1 distance, 2 distance, 3 distance, 4 distance, and 5 distance. A has traveled 5 units of distance this way. So B will also travel 5 units of distance this way because they both have same speed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is where B would be. When A and bus are meeting here, this is where B would be. Now, the bus is traveling 12 units of distance in the time that B is traveling 2 units of distance. In the time that bus is traveling 12 units of distance, B is traveling 2 units of distance. So speed of bus by speed of B would be 12 by 2 or 6 by 1. We have also been told speed of bus is 60 km per hour. So speed of B would be equal to 10 km per hour. Therefore, the answer to the question is option A, 10 km per hour.